Welcome guys, I'm going to show you how to mention someone in a group, in a WhatsApp group. Now go to the WhatsApp group and click on the group, have it open. Now you already know the name of the person you want to mention. You click on the test area to start typing, and now you click on this 1 2 3 test to display more tests for you, and then you click on hashtag, which is you click on the tag, which is this particular icon, right? You click on it, and now the names of everybody in the group are actually displaying. So I can click on this and you can see that person's name has actually been mentioned. Now if I say and then I sent this person is going to receive it as a mention. So if you click on it also, you can actually navigate to their profile and then you start communicating with them. So this is how to mention anybody in your group. I hope this video is helpful. If it is, much like, and if you have further questions, leave it on the comment section. I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.